Yes, those who are not given attendance, scan this QR code. Given attendance, many PR registration का scan कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let me save this code. So sharing in the chat box. Okay, all of you copy this program for the chat. So copy this program from the chat box and run and show me the output. It's clear to all of you. So copy this program from the chat box and implement it in your laptop or desktop. Then once it is over, okay, share the screen with me. Is it clear to all of you? Is that clear? You have saved the course link also. Okay. Then, click on this link and copy this program. And once it is implemented, do save the your desktop or laptop with you. So जिसका हो जाएगा जब raise your hand, okay? So I will allow them to share the screen. Okay, Muskan. So I'm allowing you to share the screen. Let me first stop share. Yes. You can share the screen, Muskan. Go ahead.
So wait a minute, I have to join through desktop.
Okay, fine. Anyone else want to share the screen? They can go ahead. Uh, Preeti, you can share your screen if you are ready with your output.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Muskan, are you ready with the output? Can you share the screen?
So I haven't joined yet. There is some network issue, I think.
Okay, fine. Anyone else?
So can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. So do one thing instead of last P4. Okay. So we have taken the process P4 कितना है? 400. Take the size of the process as 500 and show me the output. For the last process P4, take the size
Okay, sir.
as 400 and show me the output.
Okay, sir.
There will be any difference in this case?
Sir, output screen is visible?
No, it is not visible. Yeah, now it is
So
visible.
now?
Yeah, it is visible.
Sir, same memory capacity
The
लेंगे.
same memory capacity, only the size of the process P4 is now 500. Instead of 400, it's 500.
Okay, sir.
So, is there any change? First of all, tell me. If there is
Yes,
change,
sir.
what will you change?
The last process will not allocated in memory.
Why? What is the reason? क्यों allocate नहीं होगा? क्या reason है?
सर क्योंकि मेमोरी कैपेसिटी 1 KB है इसीलिए.
तो हम तो 500 ले रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? और 500 तो 1024 से कम होता है. After allocating
सर
three process,
remaining
after allocating three process, remaining memory which is your 474 MB. ऐसे है कि नहीं? And what is requested? Requested for 500. So that is the reason
500.
it is not allocated. And what will be the external fragmentation in this case? What will be the external fragmentation? Anyone? What will be the external fragmentation in this case? क्या answer? It will be 474. Okay, try this one. So, execute करके देखो अभी. Yes, go ahead, execute,
Okay,
enter 1024. For number of process is 4. Size is 100. Fine. Next is 150. Fine. Next is 300. Fine. Now next is 500. What is given? The memory is not allocated for the process 4. All of you can see here. चलो देख सकते हैं कि नहीं? क्या लिखा है? The memory is not allocated to process 4. Why? Because the size, requested size is 500 and what is available? Available is 474. Okay. So finally the fragmented memory will be 474. So your external fragmentation will be 474. Is it clear to all of you?
yes,
Fine.
sir.
Yes, anyone else want to share the screen?
So I'm in the waiting room.
Okay.
Can I share the screen, sir?
Yes. नेक्स्ट कौन दिखाना चाहेगा आपका स्क्रीन? कौन शेयर करना चाहेगा स्क्रीन? Okay, take some different input. Okay, take some different input. So let us take the memory as 2 KB. Take memory as 2 KB, 1 KB maybe. Okay, fine. So take different input. Okay, number of process, suppose three process. Take different size of the process, like 190, and there's some different output. I'm looking for a different output. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so your extended segmentation. So what will happen now when you will take different input case? Okay. तो बेसिकली किसी भी प्रोग्राम को टेस्ट करने के लिए whether it is giving the correct output, लेकिन when we are written the program now what we have to do, so we have to generate different test cases. याद रखना ये किसी भी प्रोग्राम को जब बनाते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर को जब बनाते हैं ना, तो उसको टेस्टिंग करते हैं. टेस्टिंग कैसे करते हैं? उसको डिफरेंट टेस्ट केस लेते हैं. मे बी एक टेस्ट केस के लिए वो करेक्ट आंसर दिखा रहा है, मे बी सम डिफरेंट टेस्ट केस के लिए वो आंसर नहीं दिखा रहा है. तो डिफरेंट टेस्ट केस के साथ आपको टेस्ट करना है कि आपका प्रोग्राम करेक्ट आउटपुट दे रहा है कि नहीं, सभी टेस्ट केस के लिए. सो दैट इज द रीजन ऑलवेज टेक द different inputs, okay, different input, and check whether you are getting the expected output or not. तो output आना चाहिए, actual output आना चाहिए, वो आ रहा है कि नहीं. If it is giving, then your program is correct. So if you compare this one, yes, it is the size is 100, 200, 500, which is your 800. So you're left with 224. So external segmentation is 224. Fine, good. Next, next, who want to share the screen? Yes, Muskan. Okay, take 2 KB size. Okay, Muskan, take 2 KB. It
Yes.
will be 2048.
So same number of processes.
Now can take any, take 5 or 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and different size of process.
So I can take any process memory required.
Sorry, what you are saying?
So I can put any value or
Yeah,
what
any
you have
value. You can
given.
take any value for the process memory. So we are checking the whether program is working for all the input case or not.
Okay, sir.
Now again, see here you can the value of n can be anything in process because we are not limited the value of process value. Okay, the process value can be anything. Fine, go ahead next. Okay, just okay, give it 700. Fine. Okay. One. So Muskan, again run this program. Okay, run this program again. So I will give one more test case whether this is working or not. Suppose there is a 5 process, and at the process 4 requesting condition will fall. Then what will happen to process 5? Let me check this one whether it is working or not. So run this program again.
Is it visible, sir?
ठीक है, visible बड़ा कर दो स्क्रीन को थोड़ा.
Sir, wait.
वहां पर क्लिक करना था ना बॉक्स पे. आउटपुट विंडो को बड़ा करना था आपको. हाँ ठीक है. ठीक है, फिर से लो. 2048 2 KB साइज 2048. ठीक है. 5 प्रोसेस. So give process 500. So give the size 500. Give 700. Now give process data 800. Give 100. Process for 100 is नहीं लगा obviously because 40 is there. Now it is, now you can see now process 4 का जो था condition false हो जाता. All of you can see the process 4 is requested 100 and what is available? Available is 48. So that is not allocated. Now external fragmentation is 48. Now give it 40 for process 5. Now it is allocated 5. So that is I'm checking because now basically we are checking the condition. If the process 4 is not allocated, then what will happen to the process 5? So it will again take the request for the process 5. If the request is less than the available, it will display. Okay, Ms. Khan, good. You can stop share your screen. Anyone else want to share your screen? What about Abhishek Verma? Abhishek, are you here, Abhishek? Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
okay, share your screen.
सर नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है.
क्या नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है? हमको तो क्लियर आ रहा है. हाँ, चलो शेयर शेयर करो स्क्रीन. कभी भी नहीं दिखाता.
सर मोबाइल में हम बना रहे हैं सर, सिस्टम मेरे पास नहीं है.
ठीक है, मोबाइल से दिखाओ. अभी तो प्रीति ने दिखाया था ना मोबाइल से ही.
यस सर.
हाँ, मोबाइल से दिखाओ. How was the internal exam, all of you? कैसे गया internal exam? Second internal exam. कोई डाउट क्वेश्चन में सेकंड इंटर एग्जाम में?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन में डाउट था?
Sir, about that race condition question.
या व्हाट इज द डाउट देयर?
Actually, I didn't remember the question. I'll text you the question.
क्वेश्चन क्या था? व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट करेक्टली जस्टिफाई द रिस्क कंडीशन, ऐसा कुछ था ना?
Yes, sir.
क्या डाउट था? व्हेन वी कैन से दिस इज अ रिस्क कंडीशन, यू लगता है?
So, yes, in that you have given one option related to critical condition. You haven't explained that, and we haven't get any we haven't get any assignment or notes related to that on Moodle. So
No,
we
I
haven't
have
covered that
already
portion.
मैं तो क्लास में पढ़ा ना रिस्क कंडीशन के बारे में.
Yes, sir. In that we only know that if there are more than 2 or more processes
Competing each other for the
competing
critical,
each other. Yes,
for the
sir.
critical section, and output of that depend upon how this process are executed, then that is called risk condition. है कि नहीं? अगर एक
So,
से
is
ज्यादा
it
प्रोसेस,
compulsory that there should have to be a critical condition?
critical condition, critical section, that should be there must be a critical section. Critical section means the part of the program, okay, which is saved by different process. This is called critical section. Fine. This is not entire program. In my entire program, the part of the program or the part of the code which is shared among the process. So if the processes are sharing this code, then the output will depend upon how this process is shared. That means which process has shared access first and which process is accessed last. And such type of cases is called race condition. Whenever there is a race condition, then this particular problem is called critical section problem. So if it is a critical section problem, then we cannot allow multiple programs to access the critical section simultaneously. Only one process can allow at any instant of time. So is it options of the option is incorrect somewhere you're saying? Yes, Muskan? Is the
Sir, I
option is
thought
given
it is
incorrect
incorrect.
or anything else you're saying? कुछ ऑप्शन गलत दिया था वहां पर, या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑप्शन था, कुछ ऑप्शन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था दोनों में, सिमिलरिटी लाइक okay, any other questions apart from this? Any other question? You're facing problem for solving that one.
Sir, in that you have given first option related to scheduling in critical
Okay.
scheduling of two processes is so critical that various order of scheduling result in different computation. Didn't get that.
Scheduling
What
means
is
how
it?
how you process the scheduling. That means which process is, suppose I'm having three processes, P1, P2, and P3. And okay,
Yes.
scheduling means how our process should be scheduled. Whether P1 should be first allowed, or P2 will allow, P3 will allow. That is means scheduling.
Yes, sir. Then this option should be wrong because this is not a race condition. If there is scheduling, then no process should compete for each other.
Okay.
And second one is right. And the third one, when two processes are doing input output,
Hmm.
then this there can be a race condition or not. How can we know that?
If two processes are performing input and output,
Yes, sir.
just read out the statement what is given. Complete statement.
Sir, it is written which of the following statement are true for race condition, and you have given three conditions.
Okay.
Scheduling of two processes is so critical that various orders of scheduling result in different computation when two processes are executing in and at and their order of occurrence does not reflect the computation, and when two processes are doing input output.
Yes. Out of these three, you have to choose which is your
Yes, sir.
satisfy the race
Which
condition.
one is? Yes, sir.
Yeah, the first one is obviously true. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because
So how if there is scheduling, then a processes should go according to their number or priority or whatever in way they are scheduled. So
yeah,
how
we are
can there be
scheduling, no,
any
because in the
condition?
race condition also we have to schedule the process. What we are saying the race condition. Now you have to schedule the process such a way that the output should be same. जो भी आपका आउटपुट आएगा रेस कंडीशन का वो एक ही आना चाहिए. आप कैसे भी एग्जीक्यूट करो, आइदर P3 करो, P2 करो या P1 करो, या फिर P1 करो, P2 करो या P3 करो, आपका आउटपुट जो है वो क्या है, हमेशा सेम होना चाहिए, कंसिस्टेंट रहना चाहिए. that is that you have to schedule such a way that okay, we we not cannot schedule like this. Suppose P2 को allow किए हैं रेस कंडीशन में क्रिटिकल सेक्शन में और सेम टाइम हम लोग
Yes, sir.
P3 को अलाउ कर रहे हैं. That is not possible. So this is one of the
Yes, sir.
condition. The first one should be true. Okay. You have to schedule your process for the race condition. Correct? Or getting my
Yes,
point?
sir. Yes, sir. Getting.
Yeah. And the
And the
third
second
one
one?
will also satisfy the race condition. Now input output. Input output means we are performing read write operation. So if you are providing input, that means you are writing something. You are taking the output, that means you are reading something. So this is read write problem. If it is a read write problem, now tell me whether this is a critical section problem or not.
Yes, sir. It is a critical.
If it is a critical section problem, now it will be
Then there
it
will
should
be a
satisfy
race
the
condition.
race condition.
Yes, sir. And the second one, when two processes are executing in and their order of occurrence does not reflect the computation.
If two processes are, just read out.
If two processes are executing in and their order of occurrence does not reflect the computation.
No, this is not satisfy the race condition because क्या बोल रहे हैं? Two processes are computing and the order should not be reflecting the output. No. अब किसी भी ऑर्डर में रिफ्लेक्ट करने से क्या हो रहा है? फॉल्स कर रहा है कंडीशन रेस कंडीशन का. ऑर्डर आपका रिफ्लेक्ट करना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? दो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट कर रहा है लेकिन जो ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन दैट मीन्स अगर मैं P2 को पहले एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा हूँ P1 को कर रहा हूँ आउटपुट कुछ और आएगा. सिमिलरली P1 को कर रहा हूँ P2 को कर रहा हूँ आउटपुट कुछ और आ जाएगा. लेकिन दिस इज नॉट ट्रू ना. टेकन द एग्जांपल ऑफ द बैंकिंग प्रॉब्लम. This second condition should be does not satisfy the race condition. Second statement is violating the race condition. Race condition को satisfy नहीं कर रहा है.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
there is one more question about heap. You have given one question. Consider the following heap in which blank region are not used and hatched.
एक मिनट रुको मैं
region is-
हेडफोन दे रहा हूँ. आपका वॉइस थोड़ा लो. एक मिनट. Go ahead now.
So there is a question. Consider the following heap figure in which blank regions are not in used and hatched regions are in used. So we haven't solved any question like that.
Blank
The
region.
sequence of hatched, HATCHED.
Wait for it. Wait a minute. Okay, which question, Muskan? Let's read out again.
Sir, about that heap question, there's a diagram in that.
Question.
So in which options are given either first fit or best fit policy, first fit but not best fit policy.
Okay, let me see. Okay, consider the following key figure, no? Is it
Yes,
so?
sir.
Which is blank region are not set a hash region. This is already solved with the class. That means the blank region is not used. That is a free memory, and the hash region, that means which is cross mark, no, which is already used. This problem I already solved in the class. Class में solve किए थे अगर याद हो।
Yes, sir. I haven't attended.
हाँ, ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे। जो क्रॉस मार्क है फिगर में वो ऑलरेडी ऑक्यूपाइड है, ठीक है। हम लोग का क्या होता है, सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम के बाद यू मे हैव मेमोरी दैट some blocks or some partition are occupied and some partition are vacant. Now in this case, the hash part is already occupied and the blank part is not used. So you have to use this only blank part. So what is the answer for this one, anyone? What is the answer for this one? It will be,
First fit but not best fit policy.
yes, it is the first fit but not best fit policy. We know that the best